We are JTP House, a brand in the fashion industry. Basically, we produce amazing and quality shoes, top notch. When it comes to shoemaking, handmaids, we are proud to call ourselves the best. Located in the city of Jos, the capital of Plateau State, Nigeria. We are located along NYC Secretariat Road, Rantia, Jos. You can reach out to us on our number 09035539885. We are also on YouTube. You can check us out on our YouTube channel at ABC Shoes, no spacing. Now we are, so much happy to introduce to you the best of best. We have amazing people, we have amazing hands, we have strong hands that are good in what they love doing, which is shoemaking. So whenever you're patronizing us, whenever you come to us for an order, just be rest assured that everything you order for is what you're going to get. There is no substandard here, there's no substandard materials used. We delight ourselves in producing quality and amazing top-notch shoes, handmade shoes, proudly made in Jos. So anytime you're coming to us for a shoe, just know that we have the best of the best. We have industrial machines that are good in doing these things. So we are in the industrial level, so don't fear. Come to us, order a shoe today at affordable price. Feel free to place an order with us using our WhatsApp number +2349035539885. We have amazing shoes, good shoes for your casual, for your native dressing, for your office dressings, and everything you want. It's around, and we are delighted to serve you better. Thank you.